Can you see number 23 in your book?
No. I think that's not 63. Page 63, that's what it's 23.
23.
Yes. Okay, so I need you to confirm that this is what you can see. This is what I can see. 10.2.
2 times 2.4 over 4.8.
Okay. Yes, that's correct. So I'm going to ask you for ideas on how we're going to solve it. I just need straight answers. So if you don't know, just let me know and then we'll move on.
I don't know.
Okay. So does anybody have an idea?
No, I want to be faithful, be sincere today.
They want to be faithful.
You didn't even look at it. Look at it very well now. Any
No.
idea? None at all. Okay, okay. Yes?
You don't want to do about Sabi now. Sir, you do
Yes.
4. Yep. We do 404.8 divided by 10.2. That is equals to four
Hold on. So you're not going to do anything to the decimal point?
Oh, we'll move it to
Won't
the
you?
right. And the decimal point, there are 2.
Okay, let me ask you a question. You've said something, one correct thing, but you've not told me what I want to hear. Which one are you going to move to the right first? Is it the numerator or the denominator?
To this right-hand side. This how many numbers are did it before the decimal point they are 1 2 it will be, and this one 2, so it will be 1.
Okay.
I cannot do my
Okay.
2.
Now can you hear me? Can you listen? Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Oh.
Okay. Can you remove your, what do you call it? Your annotation. I think you are correct. So, but then you've not told me what that second one will move. How many times will that second one move?
1.
Why 1? If the top moved 2 altogether, why would down now move only 1? Yes, that's the question you should ask yourself. On top, is it not 2 altogether that moved? So no, not up, down, down, not up.
Anyone you did like as if you, and I said you should not do over Sabi now.
Thank you for correcting that. So it's down that we move 2 times, not up again. Up is already 2 times altogether. Okay.
Down move 2 times.
All right. So well done. I like that attempt. Oh yeah, delete your annotation. Let's solve it together. Okay. So that's good. So like I said, on top, it moves 2 times altogether. You're wondering where are the 2? This is the first one. 1.
2.
And then this is the second one. 2. And remember, it is the one that has more decimal places that we start with first, isn't it? So thank God, the top is the one that has more decimal places, not because of the 0.2 and 0.4, but the 0.2 and 0.4 together. So the 0.8 will now move how many times? 2 times. Please don't forget the rule. Whatever number of times you move the numerator by, you must also move the denominator by those number of times, isn't it?
That's
So on top, what will I have? 102. Can you see how easy it is now? 102 times what?
24 over.
Thank you very much. Times 24 divided by what? Divided by what?
480.
Thank you very much. 480. Okay, so now we can confidently divide. So who is ready to take us on what we should divide? Which one should we use?
No,
Faith.
we'll do 800. No, it's me. We'll do 400. No, it's me. We'll do 480.
Okay, don't worry. We're going to take it turn by turn. Calm down. Faith first. Faith, talk first.
No, let Favor talk. She wants to talk.
Okay, Favor, over to you.
So we'll do 102 divided by.
You want to use the whole 102? Use something smaller to break it down now.
So we should use 2. We should use 2.
This girl wants to do something very, very big.
No, wait, I've not finished my own. Wait,
Ayana, Faith, I thought you said that Favor should talk. Faith.
2 in 1
Faith.
102 is 2 in 10 is 5. 2 in 2 is 1. So it's 51. So 2 in 24 is 12. So 51 times 24.
Calm down, oh, calm down. That's not how we divide now. Have you forgotten how we divide? We always do up, down, not up, up. Don't forget that thing. Oh. It's a principle in mathematics. We always do up, down, not up, up. So 2, you either say 2 in 102, 51. 2 in 480. You understand? We don't ever do up, up. We always do up, down. Please don't forget it.
I know, I forgot.
All right, Favor, well done. That's your first shot. So let's go for Faith's own. Faith, let's hear your own.
It's Faith.
Next, Faith, you're next.
No, I said everything just now. You were saying Faith I should do.
You said everything.
Yeah. It's Favor that is your turn.
Faith, talk now. Which one should we do next?
So it's me that said it. Favor is the one that not say anything.
Okay. So what's our final answer?
When I was saying it, Faith just came because when I was saying it and it was looking a bit easy, Faith now adapt. Chineke mo.
Okay. So has anybody come up with the final answer?
Yes, sir.
What's the final answer?
51/10. And no.
So 51/10 is your final answer?
No, I say the answer would be after this thing to be 51/10. So we have to take it to each fraction to a make fraction.
So what if we can take it to decimal? You know, anytime you divide something by a power of 10, what happens to it?
In 51 is 5 remainder 1.
Wait, where is Favor? Favor, why did you suddenly disappear and become quiet?
It's Faith that took it. I was saying something, Faith just took it from me. She not even say anything.
I did now. Did I not acknowledge your own? You said 51 divided by 240. Was that not what you said?
No, that was not me. That was Faith. Faith said everything.
So what did you say? You said we should divide 102 and 24, and I said that we don't usually do like that. Is that not what I said?
No, it was Faith. I was saying my own.
That said it.
I was saying my own. Faith not just came and just started saying it. Saying, wait, now it's my own. It was my turn. You do
all
the
right,
second.
Favor, tell us the final answer. Quickly, tell us the final answer. We don't have time.
5.1. 5.1.
5.1. Thank you. That's it. It's 5.1.
It's 5.1.
Okay. So please write it down in your book.
Thank you, sir.
Let me
see I don't care.
You're welcome.
Sir, Favor was calling me a mini. Favor said that mini.
Sorry. Don't call your sister names. You should not call yourself names, please.
No, if Favor does, I don't do like that. When she wants something and I'm saying no, she will be angry. As if the heavens have come and take something from her now. I'll be asking as if somebody no ask her. No ask. You can see somebody. I'm playing with you now. I'm playing with you.
Okay, remember, don't talk while you're writing, so that you don't go and make mistake and write what you are saying. Are you done?
So Favor did not draw the line. She drew a line of just one digit.
Why are you looking at Favor's work in the first place?
I shall not even finish our.
Mind your business.
You need to mind yours. Don't put your mouth.
I didn't ask you.
You not ask.
You keep quiet before you be talking like what I don't know, like chicken.
It's okay, girls. I know you people had a long day at school, but don't come and take it out on yourselves. Just calm down. You will get through it.
No, it's Favor.
Okay, so let's go to number 24, shall we?
No.
Favor, are you ready?
Yeah. No.
What is no? No.
Not yet. Oh yeah, get done.
It's Faith that is not done.
But Faith said that she's done now.
I'm done.
Okay, good.
Give me my ruler. You remove my ladder from my ruler. Give me back. My pen.
Okay, girls, can we go to number 24? Number 24 is a graph. Now, I want you to look at the screen. Can you see my screen? You people are not looking at my screen. I said, can you see my screen? And you people are not answering.
No, shall people remove my nylon ruler? I'm not remove it. I saw it. I see that I know your own. I thought you went to go and take it, but you not take it.
Okay, sorry, Favor and Faith. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I'll find it.
Okay. Faith, please, I need you to be in front of the camera. Thank you. All right, please look at my screen. Get closer to the system and look at my screen. Faith. Okay. Hello, Faith. That's not how to look at the screen. I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. Please look at the screen. Now, this graph. Get over it now. Sorry, it's okay. Get over it. Don't make an issue out of nothing. Now, the graph says that this is a teacher's graph for examination results. So let's try and understand. Now, the figures may not be too clear, but I want you to understand something, how graphs are formed. Okay? I'm going to do a bit of annotation. Can you see my screen clearly?
No, I have to reach my book.
Yes, okay, don't worry. At least the book is with you. Okay, but just focus. Now it says the above graph shows what? Members of a class.
Members of a group or a class group according to their marks
to what?
In an examination. Use the graph to answer number 24 to 26.
Okay, that's good. Now you're not going to draw this graph in your book. I hope you understand. Please don't draw the graph. Let's just use it to answer. Now, what's the question in 24?
Is it how many pupils score 16 marks? Now,
I want you to look at me, look at the screen clearly. Now, I'm like I said, the numbers may not be too clear, but let's look at it from here. Where are you going to look for 16? Are you going to look for 16 here? Look at my screen. Look at where I'm annotating. Are you going to look for it here or here? Who can tell me? Vertical or horizontal? Vertical is this one that is pointing to the right-hand side. Vertical is the one that is pointing up. And horizontal is the one that is pointing to the right-hand side.
Vertical.
So which side should we look?
Vertical.
Vertical. For the marks?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes. Marks, he said that how many people scored 16 marks. And this one
Thank you very much. So we're going to look for 16 along here, isn't it?
Yeah. And I say horizontal.
Now, who can annotate where 16 is? Look at your book and annotate it here on the screen quickly.
Horizontal. The horizontal is facing up, not down.
So wait, I'm coming. Let me annotate again, please. I want you to understand what I'm doing. Which one do you say is horizontal?
They said that the horizontal is the one that is down.
Oh yeah, annotate horizontal for me. Let me see.
Tell me, I will take
annotate it quickly.
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
You said this is horizontal.
Yes,
No,
that's horizontal. That's horizontal. You didn't know that?
This where 16 goes.
That's a horizontal line now.
This
Oh
where
yeah, along that place. Now that horizontal line says marks scored, right?
Yeah. And he said how many people have the marks 16 marks?
16. So Faith, please check, and Favor, please confirm. Is that where 16 is in the book?
Yeah.
Is that where 16 is?
The 16 is almost.
Are you sure?
No more. It's next to the O, and see me, I do it next to the O. It's not 16.
Okay. All right. Now, where it touched the graph, I want you to trace it straight to the y-axis. That's the vertical axis. What number is there? That is the catch. It's not straight. It has to be a straight line. Oh yeah, what number is there? Quickly.
Wait, I'm coming. I'm coming. I want to draw a line.
Now, sometimes, do you know that sometimes in graphs, the number is not exactly given to you. You have to find out what the number is. So I need you to be careful now. What number is there in your book? Check, please. Use your pencil. Don't use a biro. Use your pencil and trace it to the graph, and then trace it to the left-hand side. What number is there?
2.5. 2.5.
2.5. Okay. Are you sure?
It's 2.5.
Are you sure? It cannot be 2.2. Hold on. This thing is number of people that scored 16 marks. So you have to be careful. Can you tell me Faith and Favor 1.5? No. Human beings, you don't count human beings in decimals now. So you need to be careful about your reading. So can you check it again in your book? It has to be a whole number. So please help me check. Help me check in your book. What do you have?
Okay.
Yes, I'm waiting. Can you hear me?
So the thing is 2.5. See, the thing is in between 2 and 3. 2 and 3.
Between 2 and 3.
Go.
Okay, so do you know what we're going to do? It seems to be closer to 3 than 2, isn't it?
No.
Is it not closer to 3 than 2?
Yes.
It's not.
It is.
Okay, so you know what we'll do? You know what we'll do? In that instance, we're going to approximate it. Now, I want you to reason with me. Who remembers how to approximate? Who remembers? Do you remember how to approximate?
When the number is from 4 to 0, you have to round it up to 0. If it's 5 to 9, you have to round it up to this what they call. You have to round it up
Correct.
to one.
Yes, that's right.
One.
So that means 2.5 will be 3, isn't it?
Yes.
All right. So you can write that down in your book as the answer.
Thank you, sir. 2.5, but 3, I mean.
Yes, 2.5 will be rounded up to 3.
Done.
Okay. Are you ready for the next one? The next one says, what mark was scored by the greatest number of pupils? So how are we going to find that out?
Yeah.
What's the greatest number of pupils from our graph?
And
Now, should I show you where the thing is? The greatest number of pupils should match with the highest point in this graph. That is here. So what number is there?
15.
Yes.
15.
16.
I said
15.
15. 15.
Okay, the mark is 15.
Yes.
Okay, all right. How do you know it's 15? Did you trace it down?
No, it's 14. 14.
So you have to be careful. Please look at it from my screen and trace it down in your book. It can't be 15 again. 15 is closer to 16. So I think it's 14. Can you see it?
Let me try 14 now.
Can you see it?
This is line. Be going. Now reach the top now. Beg you, just see what you do.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay, so yes. I think it's safer for us to go with 14, right?
Yeah, I don't want to be talking too much. So I sent emoji that said I want to raise up my hand.
Okay,
Yeah.
yes, I noticed that. Okay, but we're done with it now, right? Can we move on now? So I think you can drop your hand.
I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
Why did they say 25? What was scored by the greatest number of people? No, you press it.
25. Where did you see 25?
No, number 25 say what mark was scored by the greatest number? Understand?
Yes, now are you asking why they said what mark was scored by the greatest?
Yes. No,
Okay, so let me explain it.
Greatest. As if
well, but is it not the greatest number of pupils? When you're comparing things, are you asking whether they are correct grammatically or not?
Yeah.
Faith, I don't understand your question.
But explain now. No, she meant that. I said that why did they add greatest mark? You want to know?
Okay, so let me see if I understand your question. This question, this number 24 to number 26 is about statistics. So sometimes people use numbers to come to a decision, and they use numbers to make decisions. For instance, now they've done this graph now. It might be a school. They might be saying, okay, they want to find out how many people got above 16 marks or how many people scored the highest number of marks. They may be using it to make a decision. Okay, so we now know that means more people understand the subject or something like that. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? It can be for any reason. Okay, so yes, they could be interested in the lowest self. It may not just be the highest. They may also be interested in the lowest. All those things are part of decision making.
The lowest was in number 26. It was 20. This is the lowest for your information.
Okay. Okay, so number 26, they asked for the lowest, right? I can't really see number 26. I have to zoom out.
26 from the graph, which of the following statement is not true? Oh, six people scored 20. Let me see. Wrong. No people scored 10. Correct. An equal number of people scored 12 and 13. Correct. 4 people scored 13 and a half. Correct. Only one
So what does
person
number
scored.
26 say? Sorry, my WhatsApp is loading and it's looking weird.
Only one person scored 11. That is true. So it's A that is not the answer.
Okay. Okay, they say which one is false, right?
Each one is not true, yes.
Okay. So which one did you say is not true?
A. Yeah.
A. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So A. 6 pupils scored 20. Okay, so if I ask you how many people scored 20, if it's not correct, how many pupils scored 20 from the graph?
Wait. None.
None.
No. It is one person that scored 20. 20.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. I agree with you because that 20 is looking like the lowest part of the graph.
Yes,
you're right.
6 people, but it was wrong. It's not 6.
Okay.
And I said,
Okay. But what was the lowest score? Because that B, look at that number B, option B, sorry. It says no pupils had a score of 10. Is that true?
Yes, sir. No pupils have a score of 10. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's the lowest score on that place where it says max scored? What's the lowest?
20.
No, the lowest. On the left-hand side, what's the lowest there?
0.
Is it 0? Are you sure it's 0?
0 on the left side.
Let me show you what I'm saying. Please look at my screen. Look at my screen, girls. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, this way I'm talking about. What number is here? Look at this place. What number is here where I'm annotating? Look at your book. What number is there? What number is there in your book? Yes.
16.
Faith, what?
No, 10.
15?
10.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's 10. This one is
Okay.
11. 1. This one is 1, 0. 10. 1.
Okay.
2.
All right. So that means that, so you guys are right. No problem. It's right. Yeah, miss, you're right. Let's go to number 27. Let's go to number 27. What does number 27 say? What does number 27 say?
If a school room is 32 meters long, if the school room is 32 meters long and 11 meters wide, how many boys would it accommodate? Accommodate,
Yes. Allowing what?
Allowing 8 square meters to each boy. That's
good. Now, do you know how we're going to answer this question?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how we'll answer this question?
Yes, sir.
What's the first thing we'll do?
We'll do I said 200. 32 divided by 8. That is 4. 4
Why are we
times
dividing 32 by 8? Talk to me now. Why are we dividing 32 by 8?
to get our answer. So
I understand we need to get our answer, but is it 32 that we should be dividing by 8?
no, it's 8 that we used to divide 32.
No, that's not what I mean. We should find out something first. We should find out the area first. So Favor, I'm not saying that you're entirely wrong, but we've not found the area first.
So
We
I'm
need to
sure
find
that
the area.
the answer is looking at us in numbers in alphabet C. I calculated it. It is 4. That is the area. Is it now C? Yes, sir. C. 44 is
What did you
4.
say? It's
What?
what that is the area.
What? 4 is the area. Yeah.
How did you get 4? 32
I
times 11 is what?
Yeah.
32 times 11 is what now?
352.
Thank you. 352. So how did you get 4?
I guess I even wanted to ask you. I even thought that you were saying that. How did we get 352? I would have said
No.
that.
No, you are the one. People said 4, and I said, how did you get 4?
No, it's not me that say 4. It's Favor that say 4. Anyway. 352.
Favor, please. I've told people, don't just be coming up with something that you cannot defend by yourself. Always have a reason and a clear reason why you are doing what you are doing. Area of a rectangle is what? Is it not length times breadth?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Faith, please stop playing with your ruler. It's length times breadth. So that's 352 meters squared. Please look at my screen. Can you both see my screen?
Yes, sir.
352 meters squared. Now they said each boy it's 8 square meters. So that means, just like Favor said, we'll be dividing 352 by what? 8. Why?
8.
Because we want to know how many 8s are there in 352. If we know how many 8s there are in 352, then we will know how many boys there are there, isn't it?
Okay.
Faith, do you understand?
Yeah.
Are you sure you understand?
No.
Faith, talk now.
No,
Do you understand?
No.
Favor, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Faith, do you understand?
I'm coming.
Okay, let me explain it. Please, Faith, listen. Now, I want people to look at where you are now. I'm not asking you to stand up. But if you stand up and measure a square around your leg, you will notice that that square or that shape, whatever shape it is, usually it's a rectangle, that shape has an area. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now, they are saying that for each boy in this question, when they measured that shape around the leg of each boy, they found out that it was 8 square meters. They now said in a room that has 32 by 11 meters, 32 meters by 11 meters, how many boys will fit into that room? All we need to do is to find the area of the room and divide by what? The area of one boy, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So who is going to help us to divide? 8 in itself is what?
1. 8 in 35 is
Thank you. It's what?
4. Remainder
4. Yes.
3. Yeah.
Yes.
That's 44. I said it. So I said
You said it.
the answer
I've
is
told you.
looking at
When you say something that you cannot defend, don't open your mouth and tell me I said it. If you cannot defend it, just keep calm.
So should I tell you
That
how
you
I
had
did my own? Let me defend
okay.
my own myself.
Oh, yeah, now let's hear you.
About 27. So I said, what happened to me? I did not
Talk
know.
now. Let's hear you. How did you get your own 44?
I said I did not know. I just said, let me just use 32 divided by 8. I got 4. So something I said I should
Uh-huh.
I should by 11. So I got 44.
Okay, so you now multiplied 4 by 11.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I want to ask you a question. I'm not saying that you can, but how are you going to explain what you just said now to somebody that does not know this thing? How will you explain it to the person?
I'll explain it like this to the person. If you don't know what
Uh-huh.
to do, just quickly think about how that you'll be already been thinking very well. So you will look for the look for the
The
length.
what?
Look for the length. Times
Okay.
it by the breadth.
Mm-hmm.
No, look for
Uh-huh.
the length. Times it by the square they gave you. No, divide it by
Mm-hmm.
the square they gave you. It will be 4.
Uh-huh.
If they give
And then
me any
multiply it
number,
by what?
they multiply it
Now,
by
Faith,
length. Breadth, I mean.
Faith. I hope you know that this is just one out of a million questions that can look like this. What if the 32 and the 11 were other numbers that cannot divide 8? What would you have told the person?
I have told the person like this that the second way you should have do it is that you look for the area by timesing the
Uh-huh.
length times breadth. So after then you
Uh-huh.
divide it by the square. If the better
Okay,
second.
no problem. Write it in your book now. Write this one in your book. I don't know how that one that you just said now, I don't know how you will write it in your book, but I'll just advise you to write this one.
Okay. People, why not do number 24?
It's 27 or not 24? Abi? Or did I make a mistake?
No, it's 27. Also, I'm still writing.
Yes, go ahead, go ahead.
Equals to 252 meters square. 250. Sir,
Yes?
can I excuse myself?
What do you want to do?
I want to go and use the restroom.
You want to go and use the restroom. Have you finished writing?
Yes, finish is 19 cocoa.
Okay, don't be long, go. You know that we're not taking break today because our time is already fast spent.
Sure.
Yes? Yes, I'm listening, Faith. What is it?
Is it true that people were saying that no, you live in Lekki?
You want to start conversations that people had in school today, Abby?
No, I don't have school
Oh
conversation
boy.
today. I'm tired because of
Mm,
the punishment today in school today.
okay.
Cause when I was telling my classmate Favor Namdi that
Mm,
she should stop what she's doing, that Joella is writing noisemaker, and she was still continuous telling her stop, and I did not shout. So she put my name in
mm-hmm.
noisemaker, and I had to stand face to.
Oh, so you got punished, eh?
Mm. Even 2 times. Our HM came and punished us. We should raise up our hand and close our eyes. And even the window,
Mm-hmm.
people's breathe. I could not breathe like that.
Mm, sorry.
No be small. No be small.
So they now punished all the noisemakers, or they punished everybody.
They punished the people, the noisemakers, but there was not a noisemaker. I was saying
Oh,
that she
sorry
should
about that.
punish you. And our big auntie said that who was punished, they have to write 21 times table 1 to 15.
Mm. Wow.
Yeah, I don't know it.
Wow.
Have to be adding 21 plus 42. That is 21 plus. I have been adding like 21 plus 42. I was adding.
So that was how you now got up to 21 times 15.
21 times 1, 21, 21 times 2, 42, 21 times 3, 63, 21 times 4, 84, 21 times 5, 105, 21 times 6, 126, 21 times 7, 147, 21 times 8, 168, 21 times 9,
Mm-hmm.
189, 21 times 10,
Wow.
210, 21 times 11, 231, 21 times 12, 252, 21 times 13, 273, 21 times 14, 294, 21 times 15, 315.
Wow. People tried though. That was a lot.
People not write anything. She was asking me, Damilare, that the ghost exists. I wrote
Is
something.
Favor back?
Yes.
Okay, Favor. Sit down. No, let's continue so that we'll finish on time. Okay, so look at number 28. I'm sure people can do number 28. That looks like addition, right?
Let me see. Oh,
Okay, go
sure.
ahead
Can
and
I
look at
see?
it.
Can you look at it?
Yes, you can see it from my screen too. It's addition, right?
7, 7, 13. You have to write the way. 28 is the simplest. This one is
28 is the
Dewey.
simplest.
Oh, sorry, my thing is small. My thing is a big. I want to use smart pen. Dewey.
That 3, is it not too big? I can't even see the number above it again.
Okay, sorry. Let me write with my small pen. I have to reduce the color. I will choose color yellow. And my pen will be a pen, so it will be small. Dewey. Oh! Call me. Oh, this thing is not simple. I mean simple.
Who is not giving up that it is not simple?
No, sir. When I was
Give up.
no, it's not Favor. It's me. I was trying to write number 3. I was saying how to write number 3 with the mouse pen is not simple.
Oh, okay, I understand. Favor, are you doing your own? Are you attempting it? Favor,
So,
are you trying it out on your own?
So I'm looking at what she's doing if she's correct.
Done. Instead of you to be doing your own, be doing your own too now.
Okay, sir. So let's do it. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 2 is this 6. So I've got 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus... No. 7.
You're
7
correct
plus
now. 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus that
14
one that you carried from the other side
5. Yeah.
is 15.
So after then,
Okay.
we will use
1 plus 2.
1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7.
Is
Plus
7.
that one we carry is 8.
8.
So
Correct.
and my
So the answer
answer
is what?
is this one. This one.
273, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Favor,
Done.
what are you doing?
She's looking at me. I'm missing
Okay.
listen now.
All right. So Favor, okay, can you write it in your book exactly like that? Write it in your book. Favor, I hope you understood what Faith did now.
Yes, sir.
I really wanted you to do it on your own, not to be looking at Faith's own. This thing is about the day you will be writing exam, nobody will put two of you side by side. So just
Okay,
understand that you'll be on your own and she will be on her own.
They told us that March we are going to write our mock exam.
Yes, I remember you said so.
Sad. I'm already sad.
Why are you sad?
Cause
Are you not confident that you can do it?
I know I'm confident I can do it, but this thing is when after I've tried, even though when I don't know a question, but when this and you will be teaching us and me I don't know by that time. And I'd have the feeling that thing would be too early.
It will be too early. Early how? In the morning?
No, let's say it's for
Early how?
That's how I used to feel when I'm writing an exam. To be
Okay. It's a feeling now. See, let me tell you something. You have feelings. Feelings will always come. Feelings of fear. Feelings of I'm not ready. Feelings of am I sure that we did everything that we're supposed to do? Those feelings will always come. But do you know what you're supposed to do whenever those feelings comes? You talk to yourself. Have you ever tried talking to yourself before?
No. So have you
You
ever
don't. You talk to yourself every day. Look at you. You don't know. Don't you know that you talk to yourself every day? You don't know that you do that every
we
day.
don't used to really talk to us. We don't used to talk to ourselves in the mind, but me and Efes used to talk to each other.
Whenever you look at yourself in a mirror, don't you tell yourself, I'm looking good? Do you do that sometimes?
Yeah. Not even sometimes. Mostly.
Yes.
Mostly.
Mostly. Good. So you know what you need to now do? You need to start talking to yourselves more. Okay. So when those feelings comes, what are you supposed to tell yourself? I can do all things. Complete it.
True card accident. No, I like your blue. The white.
That's number one. What's the next thing you tell yourself?
God can help me. I can do something. Can do
something else you can tell yourself. Greater is he that. Complete it.
Greater is he that walks through the shadow.
You can't complete it.
Wow. No, she was saying so she's saying so.
Greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. You don't know that?
In the world, I don't know.
Yes. Okay, you don't know.
I know read that part. So which verse is it?
First John 4 verse 4. I think that's it. Yes. I can do all things is Philippians 4:19. So you could go and check it out. Those are things that you can tell yourself. Okay. There's another place that says that I have more wisdom than my teachers. That's a big verse. If you know what that means, you'll never fail in any exam.
Especially people's own. If I think about something, I did something in school, I will not sleep in the night.
Where is Faith going to while we're discussing this? Or she doesn't think this our discussion is important. Where is Faith?
Yeah.
Faith, yeah, you left without taking an excuse. You are just, I know. I don't know. So we're talking about talking to ourselves. So those are the things you should do. Whenever those feelings come up, you speak to yourself until you change the feeling to a feeling of confidence. That's the only way you'll be able to be sure of yourself. And of course, the hard work that you're doing now, God is going to allow it to pay off. So Those are the things that you should always remember. All right, so I believe in you. You need to believe in yourself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So remember what you do. Don't just tell yourself in the morning when you look at yourself in the mirror, yes, I look good. Then you remind yourself of who you are. And then
Yes,
that will boost your confidence.
sir.
Yes.
I need to go to the secret.
I'm listening. What?
Since we started a mental math class, we have not been doing
Been doing what?
English. Yes, it's true.
English.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
If we do English, we will not. Do you agree that you need more help in maths than in English?
No, I need more help in both of them. Yes.
In both of them. If we have to do that, would man, it's going to be a lot. Okay, that's why I have to just focus on maths, and this is my my field. So
So
if
you
we
like
can't,
math?
if we have to do that, that would be a different distance. So you can.
sir.
I'll just advise that whatever you learn in school, whenever you guys are having your classes in school, just take what you learn from your English class and then add what you learned from here to your maths class, and I'm sure you will be good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's look at number 29. I think we can end today after doing number 29. We'll continue the other ones on Saturday. Okay. So number 29. Where did Faith go again? I didn't hear her. Okay. All right. So let's look at number 29. 29 says, name the above solid figures in order from left to right. Remember, from left to right means that your left-hand side is this. Let me annotate so that
This
please
cube.
take note. Now, what is on your left is different from what is on my left. So please let me annotate. Okay. This is my left, and this is my what? My right. Okay. Can you see that? Please look at the screen, because your own left and my own right are different.
So it's the same. This is my left. This is my right.
In your book, yes, if you are looking at your book, but if you are looking at my screen, are we agreeing on the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent, beautiful. That's good. That's good. All right, now let's start labeling it. So what is that first shape on the left? What is it called?
Sir?
What's that shape called? What's the name of this shape? Look at it. I'm annotating it now. Let me annotate it. What's the name of this shape? Yes.
A cube.
Okay, now, do you know that their drawings are not accurate? So actually, this thing looks like a cube. It looks, thank you very much. It looks like a cuboid. But obviously, you can see that they didn't have cuboid among the options. So that means that they meant to draw a cube. So let's just forgive them. So they meant to draw a cube. Okay, after cube, what next?
We should forgive them.
Yes, let's forgive them. They made a mistake. So they are human beings too.
No, so when they make mistake, they should learn from me before.
I believe they will learn from it. What's the next one? What's the name of this shape?
Of which shape, sir? A cube.
This next shape. This next one.
Cylinder.
A cylinder. Thank you. Now, let me show you one very good skill in answering common entrance exams and any other exam. Can you see that this kind of question is a very easy question? Look at the options. How many of the options start with Q? It's only A and E. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. What does that tell you? Once you start seeing the one that looks like the answer, you can be sure that if you get to the end, you don't even need to get to the end to know. Now, obviously, the second one is not cone. So that means A is out. That means E must have been the correct one. And if you check it,
Yes,
the
sir.
last one is what?
Cone.
Is cone, isn't it?
Cube,
So
cylinder.
sometimes because of time is against you. What am I saying? When you see the one that looks like, this one is the correct answer, it cannot be wrong, like this kind of one. Please, don't wait until you get to the end, especially if the options are more than 3. I want you to imagine now that there were 10 shapes. And you have already started establishing a pattern that, okay, this option, this one looks more like the one that is already correct for the most of it. You may need to get to the end, but this kind of one, you don't need to get to the end. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
I like that.
Not
Okay, you plus smart girls. So, do you want to write it down in your book? How do you, yes, that's the practice you will do. Oh yeah, this is your pupils take away from this particular question. I want you to draw these shapes in your book quickly. Draw it in your book. Yes, and put their names under them.
Draw the correct thing.
You can draw it. You can draw it. I told you, never tell yourself you cannot do something. Try it. When you try it, you see that you can even do it sometimes.
I will try. I will do it small.
Okay, let me teach you how to draw a cube. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? A cube is just 2 squares. Just draw 2 squares. Draw the first one like this. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
You are not seeing my screen. Favor, you're actually obstructing Faith's view. Okay. So draw 2 squares like this. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
They are not even looking at my screen again. The people that who say that they cannot do something, they are not looking at my screen. Draw 2 squares like this and join them. Just join them. Finish. It's not a big deal.
Well.
Yeah.
If we draw
Is it hard?
our own will not be equal. One will be big, one will be tiny.
Don't worry, me too. Let me start my own from the beginning again. Draw a square. Must not be perfect. I told you it's a sketch, isn't it? Can you see my square?
Yes.
Look at my second square. Yeah, they're not looking again. No. My
First,
second square, you move up a bit and draw like this. Can you see that?
Yes.
Then what do I now do? You now join the edges, not the edges, what they call the vertices. Okay? Yes, that's what they call it. Yes, they call those tips, the tips of the squares, they call them the vertices. Don't worry, you will learn all those things later. And you already have a cube. This is a cube, not this one that they drew here. It looks like a cube.
Beautiful.
It's a cylinder is just circle, 2 circles.
Circle, and draw line.
Thank you. Circle on top, circle under, and you join them with 2 vertical lines, right?
Yes, sir.
Period. Then cone is a triangle. But not.
And a circle on the bottom.
Thank you. A circle at the bottom like that, and you're done. Okay. So write their names under them. Cube, cone, cylinder. Or sorry, you know how you'll arrange it now. Yes, cube, cylinder, cone.
Someone in WAECO examination, have you ever made mistake?
If I tell you, yes, I'm very, very sure I've made mistakes. The only thing is I try to minimize the number of mistakes I make so that one can still come out with a high score. That's the basic thing, in any exam. You will make mistakes, I bet you will. But just try to minimize how many you make.
Minimize
okay.
it like
you reduce it. Try, and that kind of thing only comes with practice. The kind of thing we're doing now. So like I told you, after our classes like this, don't just go and keep your book somewhere and wait till Saturday again. Go over what we did today. And in fact, I will even advise that if I know you people are hungry now, probably you people have not eaten, but
But the food is small.
you've eaten. But you want to sleep. I'm sure you are probably feeling tired. Before you sleep, go over everything we've done. In fact, go over what we did on Saturday. Go over what we did today. Look at it again. Look at every step that you wrote down and ask yourself, why did Mr. Charles do this? Why did he do this? Any place that I put something in a box, read it again to yourself till you can remember it. There's no secret to, there's no magic about being good in mathematics. There's no secret to it. That what I just told you now is it. Practice every day. Okay? Remember, both of you are mathematicians, right?
Yes. Sir, do you withdraw our mathematician card? Which card? Bad.
No, I thought I've restored it now. I've given you people back, haven't I?
Yes. Seems not to die.
But you have to do what you have to do to maintain it. And that's what I'm telling you. That's the secret I'm telling you. Daily practice, even if it's 10 minutes a day, 10 minutes like this. Look, open your book and just look at what you've written down. Remind yourselves of all the things we've done in class. And I'm very, very sure you'll
And we
be
have
the
also
best.
made a timetable. It's on
Oh,
hanging up.
good, good. Do you follow your timetable?
Yes, sir. But
Very strictly.
sometimes they do is to always give us the same book on the
Okay.
calendar.
And then you do your timetable on a paper somewhere else now so that you can always have access to it. Okay. So I think we are done for today. We'll continue. Thank God your mom has snapped enough of the pages, so we'll not ask her to snap
Yes.
again until we are done with these ones that she has snapped. And that's
Yes.
like 4 good pages. So we have quite a lot to cover. But it's good. You people are able to do it. All right. So we'll see again on Saturday. By God's grace.
There's
And
I'm coming.
you said what?
Chat too small.
What did you say? I didn't hear you, Faith.
So we said that. So sorry, sir. Someone was calling my mom on her laptop.
On her laptop?
Yes, sir. She also used to receive calls from my laptop.
Oh, okay, okay. On WhatsApp, you mean?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
My uncle is my uncle, Sibody. Sir, did you see our screen? No, we were not sharing it. We shared.
I'm not seeing your screen. No.
Yes, because we don't share screen. We have seen his call that came in.
Oh, okay,
Some...
okay. On your own screen, right?
Yes, sir. So sometimes when
Okay.
some things usually appear on our screen to not appear on your own. Why? Because
Yes, it won't. It won't because
see.
it's different now.
Oh,
The only way it will appear on my own is if it's the same app, the same person that is logged in at the same time. That's the only way it will appear. Or if the same person is calling me and calling you at the same time. That's the only way it will appear.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So enjoy the rest of your evening. Remember to practice, okay? And follow your timetable strictly.
So
All right.
write
Greet
on
treasure for me. You want to do what?
write on another timetable. Because on
Oh,
my
yeah,
timetable,
no.
the thing treasure remove it. Or the gum on the
Okay.
sticky note.
And then put it somewhere where treasure cannot remove it. If that's possible.
No, it cannot be possible. She that knows everywhere in this house. She said she want to see that's in secret room.
Don't worry, I'll talk to her on Saturday.
Okay.
We'll tell her not to disturb you people. not to be touching your timetable.
See that one, before she knows, she says she wants to break somebody.
Mm.
And so also, sometimes, when we finish our coding class, sometimes she has a bad speaking of English. And when we used to correct her, she doesn't used to answer. Please, can you be teaching children English?
Yes. We'll work on that. I'll work on that too.
Because her English has already
I'll
gotten to
do
an
my best.
extent that it will break somebody's head. If they say no,
You
please
will
no
also
break.
help her.
You say
Mm?
no. I told you before. I said it. I said it before. I said it before. We used to correct
Don't
her.
worry. We'll all join hands together to help her.
Okay, sir.
Mm. All right, got to go. My battery is already low. See you girls
Sorry.
Saturday.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. See you on Saturday.
Yeah, see you on Saturday.